DJ Supersport was happening, nigga. Wildest DJ out this morning.
Yeah.
You know what the business is, nigga.
West Side.
That shit ass nigga.
P. I ain't talking MC when I mention Hammer.
If you pitching yay, listen to the Skanner.
If you doing robberies or you selling Bammer.
Pay attention, nigga, listen to the Skanner.
I ain't talking MC when I mention Hammer.
If you pitching yay, listen to the Skanner.
If you doing robberies or you selling Bammer.
Pay attention, nigga, listen to the Skanner.
I'm floating on the freeway with a few of them. My nigga just called, he want 2 of them. Yeah, you know what he about to do with that? And if he don't like him, he could shoot him back. Some niggas pimp hoes got him selling ass. My nigga E-Ski, he was selling glass. I can't go home with nothing. I'm from the west side, I'm leaving here with something. I break it down, then I smash it like a pumpkin. With Dream cooking, it be dancing like it's crumpin'. Niggas fucking up the game, cutting corners. And end up getting cut by the coroner. I ain't talking MC when I mention Hammer.
If you pitching yay, listen to the Skanner.
If you doing robberies or you selling Bammer.
Pay attention, nigga, listen to the Skanner.
I ain't talking MC when I mention Hammer.
If you pitching yay, listen to the Skanner.
If you doing robberies or you selling Bammer.
Pay attention, nigga, listen to the Skanner.
I'm back on the road with some more of them. Dream just called, he want 4 of them. Yeah, I know where you about to go with that. And if somebody shoot at you, then shoot them back. Some niggas get cash just to flip a brick. But I'm the jack boy, I'ma hit a lick. I ain't going for nothing. I rep the avenue, so I'ma give you something. I work out just in case they try to grapple. A hard headed get busted like an apple. Niggas pillow talking to these broads. A situation gon' tell you if they fraud. I ain't talking MC when I mention Hammer.
If you pitching yay, listen to the Skanner.
If you doing robberies or you selling Bammer.
Pay attention, nigga, listen to the Skanner.
I ain't talking MC when I mention Hammer.
If you pitching yay, listen to the Skanner.
If you doing robberies or you selling Bammer.
Pay attention, nigga, listen to the Skanner.